I want to look at this accessory combo from Ulanzi, which makes some really good accessories for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this is two pieces technically. You have the top part, which is the base. It connects via USB-C, just like that, and attaches in with the two little locking mechanisms that you can pull out just like that, and then reattach, and that's very secure. And it does add USB-C to the back of your Osmo Pocket 3, so you can still charge it or connect it. And then you can thread in this mini tripod just like this. And you can see that without adding too much bulk, you now have a tripod option. So you can set this down on a desk. Now this does work just fine. The only downside is you can't individually adjust these legs. It's on a spring, so it's kind of all or nothing, which means that if you're not using this on a flat surface, it won't be super reliable, because if you have it on an angle, it will just fall down because you can't compensate by adjusting one leg higher or lower. Whereas with the option that you get from DJI, obviously this is a dramatically bigger product, but it gives you the advantage of being able to adjust the length of each leg to help balance if you're on an uneven surface. With this, you cannot do this. So it definitely has the advantage of flat surfaces. This is great for getting a steady tripod without adding much bulk. You can kind of keep this on and quickly remove it. So that's really nice for that. But just keep in mind that this isn't great for uneven surfaces. So it kind of just depends on what you're using it for. And it is a little bit annoying to open because it is spring loaded. You can't just like prop it open, it'll come back down. So you kind of have to angle it and wiggle it to get it to stay up. But when it's up, it works really well.